Hello friends, myself Sheila Rardi. I am assistant teacher of Madhavrao Boraste Vidyalay, Ozarmik. Because of COVID-19, the President of our India take a step to e-learning because schools are closed. So, dear student, stay home, stay safe. So, student, we will start standard 10th mathematics part first. Lesson 1, linear equation in two variables. Now, linear equation in two variable means what actually? So, the definition of that linear equation two variable is an equation which contains two variables and the degree of each terms containing variable is 1 is called a linear equation in two variable. Now, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of a linear equation in two variables. Here a, b, c are the real numbers and a, b are not equal to 0 at the same time. For example, 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0 is the general form of equation is 3x is equal to 4y minus 12.
Now listen here student, in our first activity, in this activity first example is 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. In this activity the two terms are given, first term is 4m and second term is 3n. In this m is the variable and n is the variable. This both variable shows the degree is 1 and hence this is a linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable. Then second example, 3x square minus 7y is equal to 13. In this example two terms are given there, first term is 3x square and second term is 7y. Now in this first term's variable is x and its degree is 2 and second term variable is y and its degree is 1, but this degree is 2 and hence this is not a linear equation in two terms. Then third example, root 2x minus root 5y is equal to 16 In this example these two terms are given and variable x and y, its degree is 1 and hence this is the linear equation in two terms. Now in two variables, here also variable. Now listen here, fourth example, 0x plus 6y is equal to 3. This example is written again, 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. In this example the two terms are given there, first term is 0x and second term is 6y, but these first terms the coefficient is 0 and hence here only one variable y is given or y is remain and hence this is not a linear equation in two variable. Now in this way many examples to solve in our notebook. The second point is simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous linear equation. In this simultaneous linear equations, the two linear equations involving in the two variables taken together to form a system of the simultaneous linear equation. Means what actually? So I will write one example here. 3x minus 4y is equal to 2, and another one example, 5x plus 3y is equal to 13. These are the actually two linear equations. This is the linear equation 1 and this is the linear equation 2. In these two linear equations, according to the definition, two linear equations involving the two variables x and y, these are the two linear equations, and they taken together to form a system of simultaneous equation. And here these two linear equations, the two variables are also shown in the two equations, and hence it is also known as simultaneous linear equation. Then method of solving the simultaneous equation. First method is a method of elimination by equating the coefficient, and second method the elimination by substitution, and third one method is by graphical method, and fourth one method by Cramer's rule. But here I will first explain the methods of elimination by equating coefficient. First example, 3x plus 2y is equal to 29, and 5x minus y is equal to 18. In this example, elimination by equating the coefficient means these are the two variables in the given two equations, and here also these are the coefficient. This is the 3 is the coefficient, 5 is the coefficient, 2 is the coefficient, and here 1 is also a coefficient, and you have to solve by using the equating the coefficient. So this coefficient and this coefficient is the same, but you have to multiply these two equations by 2, and hence here I also write multiply equation 2 multiply equation 2 by 2, and then 10x minus 2y is equal to 36, and hence adding this equation is also third number, it is also a equation number 3. Now adding the equation 1 and 3, addition of equation 1 and 3, equation 1 and 3. Now the equation 1 is 3x plus 2y is equal to 29, and equation third is 10x minus 2y is equal to 36. Addition in these both equations, and then 10 plus 3, how much? 13 x. This 2y and this 2y shows the opposite signs, plus and minus, therefore they will be 0 or cancel, and here addition is 65. Now x is equal to 65 divided by 13, and then x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Here the one value is formed and this value is 5. Then substitute this x is equal to 5 in equation 1. Substituting x is equal to 5 in equation 1. Now equation 1 is 3x plus 2y is equal to 29. Add the value of x is equal to 5 here in this way. It means 3 into 5 plus 2y is equal to 29. Now 3 5s are 15 plus 2y is equal to 29. Now 2y is equal to 29 minus 15. Then 2y is equal to how much remain here? 14, and hence y is equal to 14 upon 2. Y is equal to 14 upon 2. Y is equal to 7. This is the another one variable value is found, and hence the solution is x y is equal to 5 7. In this way this example is solved. The student, you first write this and then you solve the practice set 1.1 question number 1 in your notebook as a homework and post it on the group after you do it.
Thank you, student. Stay home, stay safe, and do your homework.